All right, so here on Wick's Galaxie, we're going to be replacing the lenses in the instrument cluster. I've already got the screws out here. I've already got the fuel gauge screws out, and the fuel gauge itself sitting here. It's actually really nice and clean, Wick. Kind of wish we had a little paint pen of the needle color to just kind of give it a little kiss, you know. But other than that, that looks good. So the retainer comes out, and then out comes our lens. Easy peasy. Right, so to get the main cluster out where the speedo and everything is, gotta undo this crimp right here. Which carefully pops right out. And there's the speedo. Set that over there for a second. Wick, I found duct tape. I know, right? So shocking. Alright, so we have our bezels and everything pulled. So our main instrument cluster housing, as you can see. That's ready to go, ready to assemble. So our first thing, we're going to wipe this down real nice, get it all clean, get all the dust out. Then Wick has a new bezel here we'll put in. And then speedo bezel lens. Then the speedo assembly. They just stack. Also the tape here. We actually had tape from factory on it as well. But it's hanging in there. So we're gonna just let that be. Give this a wipe down. And begin reassembly. Alright, here's our brand new speedo bezel. So it's gonna go right in there. Looking good. Brand new speedometer lens. And we have our speedo backing plate, our inner trim. And now we're putting in our speedo assembly. Put everything in, then we're going to crimp it again. We're also going to replace the voltage regulator for the cluster with the more modern style one. Mucho better. Now we have our trim for our temp gauge or our fuel gauge, depending. So we're going to pop one of these babies in here right now. Looks good. Now we'll put our lens, which will be in here. Get it all done.